There's a celestial body in outer space that has sparked intrigue and speculation, Arendelle. Recently, some have suggested that this mysterious object is where God resides. With stellar features that closely align with biblical descriptions of heaven, could these claims hold any truth? What have NASA's experts said about this enigmatic celestial body? When Christians hear about the bright morning star, they often think of a passage in the Bible's book of Revelation, where the Son of God identifies himself by that title after establishing his home in heaven as King of the universe. However, for scientists at NASA, the term points to something very different: Arendelle, a cosmic body recently discovered and currently being studied through the James Webb Space Telescope. Arendelle is almost as old as the universe itself, existing over 13 billion years before life began on Earth. Located at the edge of the universe, it was formed shortly after the birth of the cosmos. While scientists estimate that it is 13 billion years old and just 800,000 years younger than the universe, recent evidence suggests the morning star might be even older. Interestingly, Arendelle shines brighter than much larger stars in its galaxy, known as the sunrise Arkansas. This phenomenon, called gravitational lensing, occurs when the force of gravity causes surrounding brighter lights to give way to lesser ones. This is unusual for a star that is far smaller than most others in the sunrise Arkansas. Elon Musk and many astronomers believe this might hint at the importance of Arendelle, arguing that it is a stellar home so majestic that all greater cosmic bodies allow it to shine the brightest. Not much has been revealed by NASA about this celestial wonder, but it has made waves within both scientific and religious communities, particularly among Christians. Many believe Arendelle is a divine location within the universe, a physical place from which the divine being observes creation. It's no wonder that Elon Musk's statement about it made headlines, with some even suggesting it was the beautiful star that hinted at the birth of Christ over 2,000 years ago. However, for many space enthusiasts outside Christian circles, this feels like history repeating itself. This points back to a 1994 article by Weekly World News claiming NASA had spotted heaven, which was later proven to be a hoax. With similar claims surrounding Elon Musk and NASA's morning star, many believe the same skepticism is about to unfold again. To understand what makes Arendelle different, let's examine the scientific details and religious significance of this discovery. The road to Arendelle's discovery traces back to the mid-90s, a time plagued by mistakes and misconceptions. The Hubble Space Telescope, launched in 1990, had been capturing stunning images of various nebulae and galaxies. In 2016, the Hubble Space Telescope sent another set of incredible images to NASA's observatories. They believed they had spotted a distant group of stars almost as old as the universe, located 13 billion light-years away. This galaxy could act as a gravitational lens, allowing other galaxies and stars behind it to show in greater detail. This led to the discovery of Arendelle, a single star shining brighter than entire galaxies. However, early 2024 brought both excitement and heartbreak for astronomers. They concluded that if their findings were true, it was unlikely Arendelle still exists today. If Arendelle is indeed God's dwelling place, chances are it is still alive and glowing. But scientists believe a star of Arendelle's size could have lived for less than 10 billion years before ending its life in a massive supernova. What we see today is how it looked 13 billion years ago, as that is how long it takes for light to travel from its location to us. Arendelle gave itself up so we can be here, as the materials that make life possible were obtained from its destruction. In conclusion, Arendelle was a star so majestic that it inspired many to believe in the reality of heaven. But if that were true, what would it look like up close? One cannot help but imagine the possibilities and the profound implications of such a discovery. Subscribe to our channel, and thank you for watching.